learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Peng。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This month we're teaching you a phrase that's called no problem. 没问题，怎么说呢？
没问题。
没问题，这听起来就很亲切的感觉了哦。其实有的时候我们委托人家做一些事情啊，拜托一下啦，没问题，
没问题，没问题。
好朋友、好同事就会常常讲没问题了哈。那今天呢，我们就来有时候出去吃饭没带钱呢，拜托啦，能不能帮我付一下？
这个我要考虑一下。没有啦，好啦，没问题啦。
怎么这样子？我就知道。All right, we're going to put you in a scenario about talking about how to say no problem. And let's say you're going out for dinner or lunch and you forgot to bring your money. And of course, you want to ask your friend to cover for you, okay? 好，中午一起吃饭。Let's have lunch together.
董猪穷哈吃饭。
董猪穷哈吃饭。吃饭就是吃饭嘛 ，right? That means to eat, alright? 吃饭。
那海陆腔的吃饭发音有点不太一样，吃饭。
吃饭哦，对，这个好像有提过，蛮不一样的。吃饭 different dialects for a meal or food, basically. OK， 那刚刚讲的中午叫做
董猪。
董猪，猪是中午哦，午餐哦。然后我记得晚上是另外一个动物，
鸭
是鸭了。
OK， 另外一个动物。
对，就感觉好像中午客家人都要吃猪肉，然后晚上一定要吃鸭肉。
鸭肉啊？
会不会这样子啊？Okay, 猪 is actually lunch and ya is actually dinner. But anyways, let's have a meal together. 可是我没带钱 I did not bring any money.
我没带钱。
我没带钱，钱就是 money， 钱。OK， 可是我没带钱嘛？哎，你不觉得这种人都是故意的？你有没有这样的朋友？
他可以刷卡，
他也没卡，对不对？
真的。
好了，
那你就请他吧。
一个便当 OK 啦，对了，好了，没问题，我请你 ，right？ No problem, it's my treat.
没问题，爱抢。
没问题，爱抢。没问题 is our phrase that means no problem, 大丈夫，对不对？我请你。
爱抢。
抢不是要呛你哦，是真的要请你哦。
不敢。
不错 ，OK, that's I will treat you, OK? Let's review some of these phrases like let's eat together or to eat 吃饭。吃饭 and I didn't bring any money 这个好好学起来没带钱
没带钱
and finally 我请你了 I'll treat you
爱抢
OK 都是没问题怎么说没问题 OK now you know how to say it and that does for today's Practical Hakka
什么太嘎
汉字 say 张来了
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.